Immigration consequences of marriage fraud. For many immigrants, marriage to a U.S. citizen is one of the most common ways to obtain a green card and build a future in the United States. Thousands of couples apply for marriage-based residency every year through USCIS. Most of these applications represent genuine relationships, real couples who want to build a life together. However, there are also situations where individuals attempt to misuse this path by entering marriages that exist only to gain immigration benefits. Because of this, USCIS and the Department of Homeland Security monitor marriage-based immigration very carefully. Their goal is to detect and stop fraud while protecting the fairness of the immigration system. What is marriage fraud? Under U.S. immigration law, marriage fraud occurs when a marriage is entered into mainly to obtain immigration benefits instead of forming a real marital relationship. This can happen in several ways. One example is a sham marriage, where both individuals understand the relationship is not real and agree to marry purely for immigration purposes. Another form is one-sided fraud, where one spouse genuinely believes the marriage is real, while the other secretly intends to use a relationship to gain legal status. There are also financial arrangements, where a U.S. citizen may be paid to marry a non-citizen to help them qualify for a green card. To identify these cases, USCIS reviews documents carefully, conducts interviews with couples, and sometimes sends officers from the Fraud Detection and National Security Directorate to perform unannounced home visits. Consequences for foreign nationals. For immigrants, the consequences of marriage fraud can be severe and long-lasting. The most immediate result is a denial of the green card application if USCIS determines the marriage was not entered into in good faith. In many cases, the foreign national may also face removal proceedings, which could lead to deportation from the United States. This can disrupt families, careers, and long-term plans. Another major consequence is permanent inadmissibility. Individuals found guilty of marriage fraud may be permanently barred from entering the United States again, whether for tourism, work, or immigration. Marriage fraud is also considered a federal crime. Those convicted may face fines of up to $250,000 and prison sentences of up to 5 years. Consequences for U.S. citizens. U.S. citizens who participate in fraudulent marriages also face serious legal risks. Helping someone obtain immigration benefits through a fake marriage can lead to criminal charges, including conspiracy to commit immigration fraud. Convictions may result in heavy fines, imprisonment for up to 5 years, or both. In addition, a conviction becomes part of a permanent criminal record, which can affect employment opportunities, travel, and personal reputation. There may also be financial consequences, including responsibility for legal costs related to immigration proceedings or deportation cases. The broader impact of marriage fraud. Marriage fraud does not only affect the individuals involved, it also impacts the entire immigration system. Because of fraudulent cases, USCIS often applies stricter scrutiny to all marriage-based applications. Genuine couples may face more detailed interviews and increased documentation requirements. Fraud investigations can also slow down processing times, delaying approvals for legitimate applicants. Over time, repeated fraud cases can also damage public trust in the immigration system and influence debates about stricter immigration policies. How USCIS detects and prevents marriage fraud. USCIS uses several methods to identify suspicious cases. Couples must attend immigration interviews, where officers ask questions about their relationship, daily routines, and shared life. Inconsistent answers may trigger further investigation. Officers from the Fraud Detection and National Security Directorate may also conduct surprise home visits to verify that couples actually live together. In some cases, USCIS may send requests for evidence, asking for additional documents like joint bank accounts, leases, or photos. How genuine couples can avoid suspicion. Couples in real relationships should provide strong evidence of their shared life, such as joint financial records, insurance policies, and housing agreements. Affidavits from friends and family can also support the authenticity of the relationship. Most importantly, couples should be honest and consistent during interviews, ensuring both spouses understand the details of their relationship. Because in the end, a real marriage is not just paperwork. It's a life built together. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe so you won't miss our next one. See you soon, and until then, take care